As you can see, we got a huge pile of crap called Mercury Capri Xr2.
Now you can see why the client don't want to mess around and try to fix it.
All the rubbers are just gone.
Let's go find some babies, man! But I think someone fabricated more parts to it. But I think we have to make something like this.
Similar design.
Okay, we have to go to the junkyard. See ya!
Straight to the container.
Hello. As you remember, last time we finished Alfa Romeo for registration, and now we're gonna have stage 1.1. Before it was stage 1 to fix wheels, suspension and everything else. And now we are going to replace 2 seats that these 2 amazing co-workers are using right now, because the front driver seat is bucket seat from Recaro, and the passenger seat is OEM one, and it looks really strange when both seats are different, and the owner wants to replace them and have same seats for both driver and passenger. And we have these seats, but we have to remove them from one huge piece of shit. Guys, please get out of this car. Let's move that piece of trash into the Alfa spot. I will move this car.
Okay.
You can move that one. Whoa, 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 not so fast. As you can see, we got a huge pile of crap called Mercury Capri Xr2. At the first glance, you think, why you call this car a piece of crap? You will see it later, but for now, let's take a look. Let's take a look inside, what we got, what we are going to use, and what kind of car it is. Because this car is a little bit of everything. As you can see, inside, we have 2 more Recaro seats. Oh, Rokas,
Yeah.
you left your stuff inside.
My stuff? What's it?
Yeah, I think it's yours.
No, I don't want to touch it.
What the fuck,
Rokas. I'm just trying to contemplate myself back. Rokas, would you like to try the back seat?
The back seat?
Yeah.
Oh, shit, man. Oh no! Fuck! Hey, it's enough space.
He's sitting almost at the window. Rokas, wanna turn your head a little bit?
Yeah, I can't.
As soon as we're going to remove the seats, we are going to use this car as your house or something.
House. No?
You can use it as a flat. So we are going to use these Recaro seats, and you can see it's quite similar to OEM color of Alfa Romeo. Let's dig a little bit deeper. Totva, you want to pop the hood?
No suspension at all.
No, stay there.
I don't. Who closed the doors?
So we're still messing around. And over here we have turbo. Look, Totva, turbo, Rokas. Turbo.
Turbo.
This is 1.6 turbocharged engine. It's Mazda engine. It's from Mazda family, and they have Ford, Mercury, Mazda combined into one huge pile of trash.
With a handmade screen washing system.
Yeah, I don't know who owned it before and what was done on it, but we are not going to do anything on it. We decided together with the owner of this car that it's not worth it to restore it. At the beginning, when he bought this car from the auction, from the outside it looked okay. Maybe it required some work on the body, maybe some work on the suspension, on the engine, but it's rear model, and he wanted to have something to play around because it's a cabriolet, and it would be fun for summer to have something different than you can meet in the city, and everyone would be interested maybe what kind of car it is, because there are not too many of these cars definitely in Europe. But guys, we should definitely put this car on the lift and show everyone why we are not going to restore this car. And I have one more task for you to do. Just prepare the car for the lift. I'll be back. Guys, Christmas coming. This one is for your head, not to get cold.
Thank you. Very small.
But you look good.
Oh shit. Mechanical decoration.
Christmas glove.
Can we try to turn it on?
Yeah.
Voila!
Very nice.
Good. Perfect. It's starting to smell like Christmas now. Christmas is coming and the hot drink is helping a lot, especially a red wine. So maybe let's check why this Mercury is a little bit a trash can, and maybe let's lift it up and you will see.
Look at that, Rokas. All crusty like a Christmas cookies.
Delicious cookies.
Everyone
Everything looks very bad, everything.
Now you can see why the client don't want to mess around and try to fix it.
All the rubbers are just gone.
Everything is broken. Everything is rusty. You can try to fix it a little bit. Okay.
Bearings are fucked. It's shaking like hell. This one even worse. Everything is bad.
So I think we can put it down and...
Because everything is just going onto the ground and... Come on, stop that. Maybe somebody needs this car? Try to restore it? No? Don't recommend this to try this. It will take you forever and ever till the next and next Christmas. And after next Christmas you still won't be finished. Let's put it down. There is nothing to watch. I have an idea.
What?
Maybe it will be easier if we remove this hard top and then we will take out the seats.
Take out seats?
Yeah?
Okay.
It's just two
We can
screws.
try it. Yeah, it's not that hard.
Because the back is already loosened.
All right.
Yeah? It's a little bit heavy. Fuck, it looks way better.
Very nice.
Looks very good. It looks very...
No, it's a lot of space.
Let's see. Okay, but to drive it? No.
I don't know from where to look for you. Over the window.
Over the window and drive it and catch all the bugs in the eyes.
Very nice. Oh, look, Rokas,
Oh! 10 cents.
for today's work.
Rokas, we saw you outside the workshop sleeping in this car.
No, it wasn't me.
Is it?
So, this is your toilet?
It's not a toilet, it's a bottle of beer or wine.
That went out through your system.
Distillated. You're very slow, man.
Slow? No, why slow?
Because I already took out the seat, so that's why you get only 10 cents.
Yeah, I'm getting paid by hours, you know. I know the tactics how to work. The screw is already undone, but I'm still screwing it out. See? I also can be fast.
In bed?
Ha ha ha.
Oh, I think this is for you.
Invitation.
To the party.
Yeah, Merry Christmas. You want? See? Merry Christmas.
Try the fitness.
Try the fit. Shit, man. Fuck, no. The pedals need to be closer and we couldn't go. Sit on this homemade chair. Safety first.
Seatbelt, thank you.
Let's go find some babies, man.
Okay, we have to go to the junkyard. See ya.
Straight to the container.
Fuck, we forgot the roof.
Let's put it fast, fast, fast. It's cold outside.
So it's time to remove these seats, and then we will check if we need some brackets for the other ones.
Let's hope it will be the same, because it looks pretty much the same as this
I think
Recaro
so,
seat.
but we will check.
Yeah, let's dig in and start removing.
These seats don't have the bracket like this and like this. So I think, Rokas, we have to make two of them. We can use this, but we have to make for the passenger seat.
Just let me
The
finish with this seat.
Because this seat is really
Yeah,
different.
we can't use nothing from here, I think.
Yeah, so I think, yeah, we have to make that bracket and that for the passenger seat and just take off and put it on driver's seat. And this a little bit bent, because here we have 90 degrees and here a little bit bent. So I think we have to
I'm gonna
correct
fix that.
Yeah.
Let's start fabrication and make those brackets.
Oh, look, Rogas,
Yep.
this is original Recaro bracket, but I think someone fabricated more parts to it.
Doesn't look like original. Maybe only this metal piece.
Yeah, but I think we have to make something like this.
Similar design. So we made these new brackets, and now let's see how they fit in this beautiful Alfa Romeo.
Rokas,
Yeah,
what is that?
it's double safety.
But it does like a cross?
It's Recaro seat, you know, it's a... Okay. Oh shit, man.
I think it's a little bit small for you.
The seat?
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe it's a little bit too high, but feels good.
Oh, for me it's perfect.
Very nice.
We can clean up and go home. Because
This one maybe.
we decided
What?
to leave it.
What to move? What to move? Don't film this.
We can paint it black.
Just look. Gone.
Good job.
And here I magically came back to the workshop.
And everything is done.
I'm really glad that you finished decorating the workshop, also finished with the seats. And it definitely requires, the seats and whole interior requires lots of cleaning. I'm not gonna sit in that, and you also, yeah?
Yeah.
Because it's completely nasty.
Very dirty.
Yeah.
Don't sit on them. Don't.
So, car is gonna be given for cleanup and for proper wash. And after that, we are going to replace the headliner, because right now it's hanging from the sides and it's due to rear windshield. It's leaking water, and you can see over here it's bad and it must be fixed. We don't want to get this car molded and even more nasty than right now. Also, it requires some body works at the bonnet, as you remember. So we are not going to do that. It's for the body shop. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to press that push notification button, because next week we are going back to the Golf. We are going to work on it. We are going to remove the engine. We are together.
Yeah. Definitely. Three of us.
Three of us. With, three musketeers.
Three musketeers.
And
One always missing.
and one always drunk.
Not always, but the most time.
Most of the time. So we are going to open the engine. We are going to check if it's gonna be usable. And yeah, as you can see, we are ready for Christmas. We're still gonna bring some Christmas content, so don't miss that. We're gonna have some fun.
Hell yeah.
Okay? Thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye.
Talk with us. It's Friday today. Maybe let's go to the club with the pussy magnet.
All right.
Let's go. Pussy magnet needs some maintenance, boy. Need to start the engine somehow. Okay, start it.